Since Makita began manufacturing power tools, it has played a leading role in the industry. Pros and enthusiasts rely on them without thinking twice, no matter what the job is. So lean back and see some coolest Makita tools that you must own. Makita didn't forget to add heat guns to their lineup like many cordless power tools. In case you're a professional plumber, electrician, or auto mechanic, a portable heat source seems like a blessing to you. These variable temperature heat guns can be used in a wide range of applications like vehicle wraps and tinting, stripping lacquer, removing paint and varnish, remelting adhesive, removing stickers, and many more you can think of. But maybe you're worried about the runtime. Well, both of these guns pack an 18-volt powerful battery that ensures you don't need to leave any task incomplete. Though it looks similar to the last tool, it's a 4-speed impact driver, a compact guy with big power. First and foremost, the 4-speed power selection provides precise fastening control over each operation. You'll get different operating modes for a wide array of applications like wood mode, bolt mode, and T-modes. Thanks to the efficient brushless motor, this little guy produces a substantial amount of torque and speed that you used to get from the corded ones. And the built-in LED lights helps to eliminate shadows and lighten up larger areas. Tiny size, big role. This big guy over here is the GEC01 power cutter from Makita. It's a true game changer in the world of cutting. Surprisingly, you'll get all the power of a 75.6 cc gas power cutter without the hassles of gas. So you're not going to meet any headache of pull starting, fumes, or emissions. The integrated anti-vibration design provides up to 50% less vibration when cutting. Plus, it has a 5-inch cutting depth, meaning you can deal with bulky pipes without any repeat cut. Want to know a fun part? This power cutter has all aluminum wheels that lessen your effort while cutting dense material. If you have some heavy load applications, will you ever rely on a cordless tool to handle them? With this Makita GMH01 40-volt demolition hammer, you can. Yep, this hammer delivers the speed, power, and runtime for corded demands with cordless convenience. Surprisingly enough, the GMH01 allows you up to 20% faster braking than an equivalent corded hammer. So dragging messy cords around your workshops are in the past now. It adopts extreme protection technology that ensures improved dust and water resistance. And the Auto Start wireless system is another pro worth mentioning. Cords bother you the most. Would you still want to take them on? A toolbox without an impact wrench seems like a soldier without a gun. So here is the Makita XGT square drive wrench that provides improved fastening control and is great for automotive, installation, and fabrication trades. It boasts a powerful brushless motor that ensures up to 70% more fastening torque and a big amount of nut-busting torque for demanding applications. With the 4-speed power selection switch, it allows you to choose the desired power you want to deliver. And the 3 reverse and forward auto stop modes maintain efficiency from job to job. Professional projects need pinpoint accuracy, and accuracy needs perfect tools. So what can be more perfect than these Makita CXT 3-plane lasers? Well, these are the best mates for pros to handle job site layout applications like level, align, plumb, and all. It has 1 horizontal and 2 vertical 360-degree laser planes for exact measuring. Plus, the 2-button user interface eases every operation. Another feature worth mentioning, these lasers have an integrated pendulum lock that enables slope incline applications and protects the laser diode during transportation. There's more. The IP54 protective rating and highly protected laser windows maintain second-to-none durability. Cutting big lumber and thick wood logs on heights is pretty annoying and risky. Maybe you won't be happy to drag cords while completing them. What if you have a cordless chainsaw by your side that delivers more power than a corded one? Well, here it is. This is the Makita XCU06 top-handled chainsaw, which runs on battery, yet provides the ultimate power you've had from corded tools. The XCU06 comes with a variable speed trigger and has a high chain speed to offer a huge cutting speed for dense woods. And the torque boost mode lets you cut dense material without any kickback. Automatic chain lubrication and built-on lock-off lever present all accidental issues, offering increased productivity. Who doesn't love to have the most stylish way of cleaning? Look at this Makita DVC660 cordless backpack cleaner. The perfect combo of look and efficiency. From now on, you'll get the ultimate cleaning solution with a sleek design, all thanks to the high-powered brushless motor of this backpack cleaner. And the best part of the DVC660 is the HEPA filter, which is considered one of the best air filters in the industry. Oh, and let's not skip the bug dust collector pack. It allows you to go through long operations without cleaning back and forth. This backpack vacuum is a tool where style and design meet with power and productivity. No wonder you're gonna love this backpack by its look, even with the power too. Every contractor dreams of boosting the rebar tying process. They can eliminate all those problems with this Makita RT01 rebar tying tool in the collection. First things first, this cordless tool lets you deliver up to 5,300 ties easily and has multiple bar tying capabilities. The two-mode operation, single press, and continuous tie actuation give you ultimate control over all your applications. Maybe you're worried about loading the wire reels. No problem. You can do that in the blink of an eye and get back on track in minutes. Last but not least, the adjustable tying strength allows you to keep going flawlessly between job and job. Ignoring your front yard's dirt and dead leaves for too long will only make things worse. You better go with this Makita GBU01 blower to get your exterior free from all unwanted guests. Since it delivers around 55% more blowing force than the gas-powered ones, you'll no longer have to deal with fumes and emissions. Despite being surprisingly low weight, it offers substantial airflow with its brushless motor. Plus, it produces low noise and will never bother your angry neighbor. The variable speed trigger lets you decently manage the power. Low in weight, big in power. So, that was the list of the coolest Makita tools you must own. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.